Tech Systems, and today we're going to be doing a training on the Smart 6065 interactive panel. So this Smart 6065 panel is connected to a resident computer that's providing us with a video signal as well as a USB connection. And really fundamentally that's all a smart board is. It is a mouse that you're able to interact with while standing in front of a group. You'll see here we're in whiteboard mode. You will spend 90% of your time doing the following things. With the stylus, you can write without touching any buttons. You want to use your finger to touch as a mouse. Here with the mouse, you can move around anything. Should you make any errors, simply use the back of your palm and you can erase. This is all done without touching any buttons on the computer or the panel. The 6065 offers two stylus. One has a black ring on the end and one has a red ring. These colors can be customized, but out of the box, the black one will do just that. It'll write black. And the red one will write red. While in mouse mode, your finger can be intuitively used to mouse around with any object. When you grab an object, you can slide it around as you wish. As you may be familiar with gesturing, you can also zoom in and zoom out. Along with zooming in and zooming out, you can also rotate an object. When a mouse is selected on any object, a drop-down menu appears. The drop-down menu has some pretty standard features. The first one is clone. That simply creates an object that's duplicate to what you already have. Smart Meaning Pro offers you the ability to convert any of your writing to text. From that drop-down menu, you can convert to text. You can see this is now a rich text font. Now we're going to be discussing these menu items. The first option is pan. This allows you to pan through any whiteboard, again being able to zoom in and zoom out. The next option is select. This is what we call the mouse feature. So when we select an object, it knows we want it to be a mouse. The select tool is also used when we are grouping multiple objects together. Next option is pen. When you select pen, you can see you can choose from various sizes of fonts and various colors. The last two options are simply for highlighting in yellow or green. The next option is to erase. In eraser, you have fine, medium, and large eraser. Your next option offers you to bring in some shapes, whether it be a circle, a square or a rectangle, a rounded rectangle, or square, or a pentagon. You also can bring in stars, check marks, X's, and various sorts of lines. If you'd like to add text to your document, simply click text, the location where you'd like to insert it, and a keyboard is available to you. The gallery is for you to be able to store any content or images that you may want to pull up later on. You'll see here we have this circle. I may want to take this circle and add it to our content gallery. This now can be available to us at any point we need it. Always below here are our undo buttons and redo. On the bottom, there are three more options. The first one is to move the toolbar. Depending if you're a lefty or righty, you may prefer to have the toolbar on either side. When I click it, you'll notice that it jumps over to the side. The next option is to collapse this toolbar. This toolbar currently, right now, indicates an icon and the text. If I collapse it, it is only the icon. When you get more comfortable in the software, this offers you a little bit more real estate on the screen. And the last option is a quick link to the most common programs used with Smart Meeting Pro. In whiteboard mode, you have the ability to make numerous slides for your storyboard. You simply need to press this button here, and you will create a blank slide. On slide 2, we'll make it 2. I'll add a third and a fourth. These slides are able to be changed and moved around as you need. If you want to take slide 2 and make that in front, you simply can pick it up and push it in the front of the pack. Within each slide, you can insert another page, clone a page, or delete the page. That highlights the basic yet very powerful tools of whiteboard mode. The other mode is desktop mode. To get to desktop mode, simply click the button on the top and you will have the desktop of your computer. In desktop mode, you basically are using your hand as your computer's mouse. To left click, you simply touch anything on the screen. To right click, hold anywhere for 3 seconds. This left click and right click can be used on any application. Here I have a link to Internet Explorer. I left click on that, and up comes the website. With a left click, I could highlight, do drop-down menus, and whatever you need to do. The only new button that we haven't gone over is the capture button. Capture bridges the desktop mode and the whiteboard mode together. So with the capture button, I have the option of taking a full screen capture or a rectangle of a very specific location. Here on the Google homepage, I will take a rectangle selection of the Google logo. Click rectangle selection and simply highlight over the exact area you want to take into whiteboard mode. And next time you return to whiteboard mode, you'll notice that is in whiteboard mode. This object can be used and annotated just like we're using all the other objects from whiteboard mode. Thank you for watching the training video on the Smart 6065 and Smart Meeting Pro. If you'd like further information or more training videos, please visit us at adtechsystems.com.